The coronavirus outbreak that put the world to a stop has only served to raise awareness of the advantages of working remotely. However, this is good news for people who plan to work from home and make money online. However, with so many options available on the internet, how can we know which ones are the most worthwhile? The solution to this question is difficult, but we'll answer this question today. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss tips on making money. And for this video, we are going to list 12 very profitable skills to earn money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell to receive updates and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Blogging. Not long ago, blogging was regarded as a hobby. The main difference now is that blogging has changed significantly over the years and is now considered one of the best money-making skills in 2022. There are several methods for monetizing your blog. Your income will be determined by your level of blogging, the type of blogs you publish, and the strategy you choose. Direct advertising ad networks, affiliate marketing, paid reviews, and even sponsored blogs are all options to make money with it. Number 2. Copywriting. Writing compelling ad content to sell products, educating and engaging customers, writing product subscriptions, email blasts, banner advertising, and other forms of advertising are all part of a copywriter's job description. In addition to that, they are responsible for coming up with ideas and sketching up storyboards. They work with the marketing team and other creative teams and departments to improve communication strategies and make sure that the brand's message is always consistent. Number 3. Email marketing. Email marketing is a crucial component of every marketing strategy. It is a form of direct marketing in which clients are persuaded to take a certain action, such as purchasing a product or subscribing to a service, by receiving tailored emails in bulk. As an email marketer, you need to know your audience and write copy that speaks to them. You also need to come up with and design email formats, divide email lists into groups based on their purpose, measure email KPIs, and do a number of other technical tasks. Number 4. Social media marketing. A social media presence is essential for every business. They must be constantly active on it as well. Therefore, they require experts to control and organize their social media accounts. A social media marketing executive utilizes scheduling software and creates and implements a social media posting calendar for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and others. Their responsibilities also include implementing ways to improve brand engagement and brand awareness, which will attract more customers. Number 5. SEO. SEO is the process of getting more people to visit a website through organic search results. An SEO expert raises the ranking of a website by working on both the quality and the number of links. Their job is to improve the website's content and get a lot of real people to visit the site that way. SEO strategies change quickly because SEO experts have to keep up with how search engines work. Because of this, optimizing a website is a continuous process that never ends. Number 6. SEM. Search Engine Marketing, or SEM, is now important for a business to grow. SEM lets you optimize these ads and get them in front of the right people for your business, so you get the right clicks and make good sales. When a user searches for a product online, the sites run ads to let the user know that the product is available on their site. If these ads weren't at the top of the search results, the user would have gone to a different website, the theory goes. Number 7. Graphic design. Design is always in demand because every business needs visual for its platforms, products, or services. There are a lot of tutorials on the internet about how to use the programs necessary for graphic design, especially Photoshop. You could think about being a freelance designer. All you need to get started is a portfolio that shows off your good design skills. If you want to improve your design skills, there are many online courses you can take. Number 8. Video editing. The most successful way to market and promote music, goods, services, news, and education is through video. It's also one of the quickest and easiest way to generate money online. Video creation today doesn't necessitate to large outlays of cash. All you need is a computer and some editing abilities to produce polished videos. As a result, video editing is now the most critical talent needed to succeed in the internet world. Video editing classes on udemy.com and lynda.com can also be found, in addition to YouTube's extensive library of video tutorials. Another resource to check out is Adobe's online video tutorials, which are an excellent resource for learning the software. Number 9. Mobile app development. App development has evolved into one of the most lucrative skills to study in order to gain money. Being an app developer requires a variety of abilities, including programming, UI design, back-end computing, and a lot more. Every company considers developing mobile applications as a way to grow, and the need for people who can code for both Android and iOS apps grows every day. To design mobile apps, you'll need to be proficient in a few coding languages, including Java and the fundamentals of XML for Android. Before you begin, you should be aware that coding is not difficult if you put in the effort. Number 10. Web designing. In an era distinguished by the fast proliferation of digital technology, the design, development, and maintenance of user-friendly websites have become a tough task. As a result, the demand for full-stack designers proficient in designing dynamic, inventive, and complex websites is expanding slowly but steadily. This job is for you if you have an artistic eye for graphics and are comfortable with programming languages. Learning the fundamentals of programming languages and design is required for producing a working website that provides a positive user experience. Learning to code can be frightening at first, but there are numerous excellent web design classes available online to assist you in learning everything about it. Number 11. Content writing. If you are proficient in English, then it is easier for you to be a content writer. You see, there is a high demand for content writers because every website, Facebook page, post, product description, and sales pitch requires material. The foundation of writing quality material is conducting through research, so your research abilities should be sharp. And finally, at number 12. Website development. When creating a website, you should make use of tools that simplify your job by automatically transforming a website design into a functioning website. It is possible to design websites without having any prior experience or understanding of coding, thanks to the wide availability of tools that require no coding at all. And due to the fact that every company needs to have an online presence in the form of a website in order to display their services, products, and so on. The demand for the same will always be high. Your ability to generate revenue can be diversified, and you can increase your earnings with the help of our list of the most lucrative skills to acquire. Acquiring these talents can also help you launch a new career path or alter the one you're already on. With these jobs that you can take on, you might just find your path to wealth and financial freedom. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates and be the first to check out our latest videos. Also, feel free to leave us a comment. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!